Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another new project, a new airdrop opportunity, and the project name is idOS. So what do they offer? They say portable identity for the stablecoin economy. This means they are building the identity layer of Web3. That means you'll be able to store your identity on Web3. Also, if you want, you can visit their website for more details. As for the funding, they have already raised 4.5 million and their status is confirmed, which is great. If you look at their investors, you'll see some top names like Circle, Ripple, Arbitrum Foundation, and some others. If you visit their X profile, you will see they have only 19k followers, so we are joining very early. If you scroll down, you'll see they are active here, which is another positive sign. Before joining the project, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of airdrop opportunities and crypto updates, so join now. I'll provide the link in the description. Now to join the airdrop, you need to land on this page. I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page link. After landing here, first click on create idOS profile, then choose your wallet. Here I'll select MetaMask, then click connect. Then again click on create idOS profile, then click on create idOS key. Then sign with your wallet and then click confirm. And again confirm. Now here you need to verify your identity. For that, click on verify. Then you need to scan your face to verify. You can continue with mobile or you can do it with your browser. So I'll choose to continue with mobile. Now you need to scan this code. After scanning the code, click this link and you will see the verification page appear. So click on start liveness check. Then scan your face. After that, you will see this message, face sign successful. Now go back to this page. Then confirm. And again confirm. Then click on add credential. Then again confirm. And your dashboard is ready to go. Here you will see you are verified. Now click on leaderboard. Here you will see your ranking and top points earners. To increase your points, click on your points. Then here you will find some tasks that you need to complete to earn points. So let's click on this one. Here you need to follow their X profile, so follow them, then go back and click on complete quest and it's done. Next, click on daily check-in. For the daily check-in, you will get 1 point daily. Next, click on this task. Here you need to subscribe to them, so enter your email, subscribe, and it's done. Next, join their Telegram group, so join them, then go back and it's done. By completing tasks, my points increased to 101. Also, if you want to increase more, you can refer your friends by clicking here, and you can copy the link by clicking here. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.